tayo na wala tayong ginawa kundi uminom ng gamot. Masakit ang tiyan. Meron akong gamot dito. Hindi mo nagpapadoktor yan. Basta meron na siyang kit. Masakit ang ulo. Meron siyang aspirin. Masakit ang buto-buto. O meron siyang alaksan. Masakit ang ganito. Meron siyang ganito. Medyo fever. Meron siya. Hindi mo hindi mo nagpupunta sa doktor. Kaya tignan yung itsura niya. These are the chronic users of medication, and these are the people who are supposed to be giving or taking more of your sodium ascorbate. And when you're exposed to more and to high levels of environmental pollutants. Those who have had surgeries lately and those with infectious diseases. This baby has a staphylococcus infection, and he has more infections aside from the staphylococcus. Okay. Those of you who are in a balanced diet. Yung mga walang ginawa kundi pupunta sa Jollibee, sa McDonald's, sa Chowking, ito yung mga kinakain niyo. Alam niyo ba kung bakit masarap yung French fries ng McDonald's? Do you know why? Because it is deep fried in tallow. Tallow is the fat of the cow.
Oh.
That is why masarap, malinamnam po siya, di ba? Ngayon, patuyuin nyo ay pag mainit, masarap. No? Pagkapagong bigay. Ilagay nyo sa mesa, huwag nyo kainin ng mga 1 hour lang. Okay lang, di ba? Pagka ganun, kainin nyo, hindi na masarap. Di ba? Okay. So those of you who are emotionally and physically stressed. Now, collagen is the most it is the foundational matrix of our body. Without collagen, our body is not what our body will be. We are made up of collagen in and out, from the outside to the inside, from the inside to the outside. All the organs are made up of collagen. There's nothing, no organ that's spared. Everything is made up of collagen. That is why when there is collagen degeneration, pag nasisira ho yung collagen, because of vitamin C deficiency, diyan ho nasisira yung organs, nasisira ho yung collagen, nawawala ho yung collagen. That's why we have lupus, we have cancer, we have cardiovascular diseases, we have diabetes, we have kidney disease. All of these diseases are secondary only to the loss of collagen due to the loss of, due to the deficiency of vitamin C or your sodium ascorbate. This serves as a barrier against the spread of infection and malignancies. The biggest collagen organ in your body is your skin. So you protect your skin. Okay? So important that our bodies will not function without it. Meron mo akong pasyente noon na I was a resident at that time in the hospital. I was called to see this patient. It was a baby. I'm not a pediatrician, pero pag residente ka, and you're on duty, madami kayong tinatanganan na wards. And one of them was the pediatric ward. And I was called to see this newborn baby who did not have an abdominal wall. Bukas ko yung abdomen niya, nakalabas yung intestines. So makikita niyo gumagalaw yung intestines. We cannot do anything about that. The baby is a few hours old. And all we did was to put gauze over it and place saline solution. Pinapasala mo namin. But the baby did not last for 24 hours. That is because there is lack of collagen. Wala akong abdominal wall. Okay? 99% of mammals produce vitamin C. But we do not. We belong to this. Guinea pigs, monkeys, fruit bats, and humans. We cannot produce our own vitamin C. Why? Because we lack one enzyme in the liver. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung enzyme, mahaba ho masyado. Baka ho, memorize niyo pa. Gusto niyo malaman, alpha-gulonolactone.
Alpha-gulonolactone.
You don't need to know that. Except that what we want to know, what we want you to find out is that we cannot manufacture our own vitamin C. So that we have to take it in through any means that we should be able to. Okay, the pH advantage of our sodium ascorbate is we have a pH. What is pH? Do you know what is pH? Huh?
Hydrochloric acid.
Ano pH? Eh, sabi, oh, pH yan mababa, pH yan mataas. Kaya pH na yan.
Hydrochloric acid.
pH is the potential for hydrogen. Meaning, the more hydrogen you have, the more acidic you are. Cancer cells thrive on acidic environment. Pagka kayo naiinis, naiirita kayo, you are acidic. Di mo ba? Naiinis ako sa'yo, you become acidic, magkakasakit kayo. Remember, when you're under stress, nagkakasakit kayo, di ba? Nagkakaroon kayo ng sipon, sumasakit ang ulo, di ba? Because your body is acidic. And when you're acidic, you're more prone to stresses. The more hydrogen you have, the more acidic you are. So that the pH is supposed to be the hydrogen potential of kung ilan ang makukuha ang hydrogen, ilan ang matatanggal na hydrogen. The more acidic, the more hydrogen. The less hydrogen, the more alkaline your body is. We would like to say that we would like to alkalinize our bodies because we would like to be healthy.